In the heart of the Dudumeni community, a powerful collaboration is shaping the future. Sanral, Standard Bank, Belatin, and the Bhabhazela Mandela local municipality have joined forces to empower local businesses and create lasting change. Through their support of the Masakeni Group and the Dudumeni Quarry project, opportunities are being unlocked. Jobs are being created, skills are being developed, and livelihoods are improving. At the core of this transformation is the empowerment of women, providing them with the skills, resources, and opportunities to lead in industries once beyond their reach. From operating heavy machinery to leading business operations, they are breaking barriers and shaping a better future for their families and their community. From the rumble of progress in the quarry to the hands that build a stronger tomorrow, this initiative is more than just infrastructure. It's about people, growth, and empowerment. Together, we are shaping a brighter future, one stone, one opportunity, one life at a time. This is the impact of collaboration. This is the Dudumeni Quarry project,